Hello everyone and welcome back to Advent of Cyber. This is day 10 and today is going to be SOC alert triaging. Let's open this up and see what it's about. Learning objectives for today is understanding the importance of alert triage and prioritization, explore Microsoft Sentinel to review and analyze alerts, and correlating logs to identify real activities and determine alert verdicts. Connection details. There's no VM today. So to get started, click on cloud details below. So we're going to join the cloud. Instead of starting an attack box for this one, we're just going to wait for this to load up. Okay, so now that we've deployed that, let's go ahead and exit this. After joining the lab, click the Actions tab. We've done that. Click Copy URL. Let's go back and get that. Next, select the credentials to access the Microsoft Azure portal. So we're going to go to our lab here. And now we're logged in. Okay. Alright, so it's raining alerts. Mosquito was notified that it's raining alerts. Something unusual is happening within the Azure tenant. The dashboards are lighting up with suspicious activities, and early signs indicate a possible attack from the evil bunnies. The best festival company must act fast to survive this onslaught before it affects the entire season's operations. Before investigating these alerts in Microsoft Sentinel, Mosquito must step back and understand what's happening. When the alerts start flooding in, jumping straight into each one isn't efficient since not all alerts are equal. Some are noise, others are false positives, and a few may indicate real threats in progress. This is where alert triaging becomes critical. Triaging helps security teams identify which alerts deserve immediate attention, which can be deprioritized, and which can safely be ignored at the moment. The process separates chaos from clarity, allowing analysts like Mosquito SOC team to focus on their time and resources where it truly matters. Now let's continue the discussion. Key factors: severity level, timestamp and frequency, attack stage, and affected asset. In short, these four represent essential dimensions of triage: severity, time, context, and impact. They form a balanced foundation that's simple enough for analysts to apply quickly, but comprehensive enough to inform decisions. After reviewing these factors, decide on your next step: escalate to the incident response team, perform a deeper investigation, or close the alert if it's confirmed to be a false positive. A structured triage process like this helps ensure that time and resources are focused on what truly matters. So diving deeper into an alert, after identifying which alerts deserve further attention, it's time to dig into the details. Follow these steps to investigate and correlate effectively. So first, we're going to investigate the alert in detail. We're going to check related logs, correlate multiple alerts. If there's more than one, we're going to look at all of them and see if there's any similarities like IP address, user, or device. Correlation often reveals a broader attack sequence or coordinated activity. Build context and a timeline. Decide on the following action. If there are indicators of compromise, escalate the incident to the response team. Investigate further if more evidence or correlation is needed. Close or suppress if the alert is formed false positive, and update the detection rules accordingly. Document findings and lessons learned. Keep a clear record of the analysis, decisions, and remediation steps. Proper documentation strengthens SOC processes and supports continuous improvement. With the triage complete and the investigation in motion, Mosquito begins piecing together the puzzle. Every alert, every log entry, and timestamp brings her closer to uncovering what the evil bunnies are up to inside the Azure tenant. It's time to connect the dots and reveal the bigger picture behind the noise. So let's proceed to action. Before proceeding with alert triaging, let's first set up your lab environment. So we're gonna go back into Sentinel. We're gonna go to Sentinel, then we're gonna go to logs. Then we're gonna go custom logs, system logs, CL. So we're gonna go to tables. Okay, so TryHackMe is made yet another error. Looks like we do not have the custom log script that we need. I'm gonna do logs, select the table. Okay, so I just did some research and we're supposed to go to configuration, automation, let's see, analytics. Okay, now we actually do see something here, but after doing a little research, this should read 8 rules or 9 rules. And we only have one. So we're just gonna wait a minute here for this to get where it should be. Alright, so I kind of went to get breakfast, so I'm gonna refresh this now and hopefully the box is working again as it should. And there is still only one rule. Let's go back home one more time. I did start this box about 5 minutes after it came out, so it might be a little glitchy, but at the same time, I'm not sure. I did do some research on the content creator panel and watching their screen share. They did not have this same screen that I have, so I'm not sure what to do here.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's like 6 hours later. I just gave up on it. I kept refreshing. I went and watched this video here, and he did not have the same issues. His loaded up perfectly fine. I don't know what was going on, but we're going to try it again. Okay, so it says deployed rules and lab is success. I don't know if that's going to be true or not, but here we go. Let's go try it again. It's going to ask for the temporary password. And now we do not have access. Please try to refresh the page. Alright, well, I'm still going to post this anyway just to keep up my streak, but I'm not sure what's going on. I mean, I guess that's it. I'm just going to wait it out, maybe try it again in the morning, but by tomorrow it'll be day 11 and I don't want to mess up the streak or the numbering in the playlist, so I'm just going to post this one anyway and then hopefully find the flags later on. So if you enjoyed watching this, give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you follow me on Twitter at rxsklife, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 11.